Alright, so my old chainsaw has seen its last days and needed a new one. I didn't want to spend an arm and a leg, so we decided to go with the Huyosen, I guess is how you pronounce this. This is 62CC chainsaw. I can't remember what the blade size, what the bar size was. It was 20 or 18, I can't remember now. But we're going to go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. So it has pretty good packaging. Had these cool little little plastic contraptions along the edge there to keep the chainsaw in place. That was really cool. It's got a tool bag, which is awesome. Our blade. I need to get a one to be able to fit in that case though that thing is in. Wow, this has a fuel mixture thing. That's pretty cool. Brand new chain, excellent, and the actual unit itself, very nice. Oh, it is almost 60 in here. Pretty good because it's really cold outside. It's really cold. Not bad because I got a small heater running over here and I got a diesel heater running. And I'm running the diesel heater on low. Yeah, not shabby. I mean, it's a Chinese chainsaw.
And by the way, I love China. I mean, I love China.
Not expecting much. You know, if it works, it works. That's all I care about. I think this is cool though. Alright. Let's see what we got here. There's an owner's manual and a hard to get into in here. I think it's cool that it has all the tools with it, I think. It tells you in complete idiot instructions how to put it together. That's cool. Considering some people don't have the IKEA skill I have, I can build just about anything just by looking at the pictures. Alright. There's a little tool bag. It's got all the different things you will need. Just cool. Oh, it's got something else in there. What we got? Oh. Alright. Got our chain. One thing I thought the chain would be like crappier, like the cutting teeth would be farther apart. But they aren't. They're actually pretty good. So I've seen some chains like where you buy these like kind of cheap chainsaws and the chain will basically have, you know, a pretty good gap between the teeth. But this one actually isn't that bad. Alright, so I got the chainsaw put together. I actually got into reading this. I was looking at this thing because it actually tells you how to cut down trees, which is very weird. It's not just instructions on how to put it together. It teaches you how to cut through logs, which is pretty interesting. I was like, this is very weird. I mean, it's pretty thorough too. They did a good job. It even has a maintenance section, tells you how to do your maintenance. It's actually a pretty good owner's manual, actually. It's pretty straightforward. It was easy to follow. This works good, of course, to tighten up the tension nut. I had to get a screwdriver. This thing. That's a file to file the chain, and then the two other things. This is kind of useless, but other than that, it's not a bad chainsaw. So this is kind of what you get. It is kind of flimsy. This is to turn it off, turn it on. It's got this little, I mean, the trigger's kind of cheap. got a cheap trigger on it, but in the grand scheme of things, you know, got a choke. Choke is kind of a little flimsy there, really thin. See how thin that is? But other than that, I mean, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but we shall see how it works. All right, well, that is that. You guys take it easy. Peace.